More news coming in. India is reaching for the stars once again. 2026 begins with the first Desi Videshi combo space launch for the ISRO. PSLV C-62 set to lift off, showcasing India's precision power. ISRO's trusted workhorse carries a sharp new eye in the sky. Meet Anvesha, India's Hawkeye in space, a powerful surveillance satellite tracking troop movement, terrain changes, crop patterns with pinpoint accuracy. This is a roaring 2026 comeback for the hero PSLV rocket, reaffirming India's rising space dominance.
इस समय यान 2000
Waiting for the liftoff from Sri Harikota at this point in time. Take a look at these images coming in.
तृतीय चरण का कार्यकाल लगभग 125 सेकंड का होगा, लेकिन इस चरण के बंद होने के बाद भी कोस्ट फेज चलता रहेगा। यह कोस्ट फेज लगभग 100 सेकंड का होगा और उसके बाद तृतीय चरण को यान से पृथक कर दिया जाएगा। तृतीय चरण के अलग होने के 10 सेकंड के पश्चात चतुर्थ चरण PS4 का प्रज्वलन शुरू होगा। यह अंतिम चरण है PSLV का, जो यान को 500
PSLV has been the star of India's Chandrayaan-1 Mars Orbiter mission and Aditya L1 solar mission.
मुख्य उपग्रह EOS N1 को
PSLV is to carry the Anvesha satellite in ISRO's first space launch of this year. It's January and ISRO is really starting the year with a bang. The countdown has begun, a crucial moment for the country's most trusted launch vehicle. It's a roaring comeback of sorts. The PSLV rocket, which is of course reaffirming India's rising space dominance. It's going to be a powerful surveillance satellite tracking troop movement, terrain changes and crop patterns with pinpoint accuracy. This is Hero's trusted workhorse carrying the sharp new eye in the sky. 2026 beginning with the first Desi Videshi combo space launch for ISRO on your screens right now. We are waiting for the countdown essentially, which is a minute as announced. It's a crucial moment for the country's most trusted launch vehicle. The last mission in 2025 was aborted due to a technical observation. The 260-ton PSLV is carrying Anvesha into a polar sun synchronous orbit. Pramod is getting us more details on that story. Pramod, once again, it's PSLV set to lift off in just a few seconds, showcasing India's precision power, ISRO's most trusted workhorse, isn't it?
It certainly is, Neha, and it's a C-62 PSLV, and this is the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, considered as the workhorse of ISRO. We also have the Bahubali, that is the GSLV series. But today's launch is very important because we are carrying almost 17 satellites, of which the first and foremost is something called as Anvesha, the Earth Observation Satellite.
Minus 15 seconds. RCT Pero. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. S139 motor and both strap-ons ignite.
Here's the pillar of
Lift
fire
off normal.
meets the
P1 tracking.
canvas of
P2
blue.
tracking.
PSLV C-62
P2
carrying
tracking.
the umbilical
P4
tower, a
tracking.
majestic liftoff.
PSLV C-62 प्रमोचन यान का सफलतापूर्ण उत्थापन प्रथम प्रमोचन मंच से और बढ़ चला है अपने उद्देश्य कक्षा की ओर। इस मिशन को पूरा करने के लिए EOS N1 उपग्रह उद्देश्य कक्षा की ओर।
Shar ground station is tracking presently for 70 seconds after a lift of the S139 motor, and the two strap-ons will together develop thrust.
प्रथम चरण का निष्पादन पूरी तरह सामान्य, यान अपेक्षित पथ का अनुकरण करता हुआ जा रहा है।
Shot to engine main auto. Both strap-ons separated.
There's a confirmation from the Range Operations Director that the strap-on motors have been separated from the ongoing launch vehicle. However, the core S139 motor continues to burn and develop thrust.
दोनों स्ट्रैप ऑन बूस्टर को यान से पृथक कर दिया गया है
First stage
तथा
performance
कोर
normal.
बूस्टर अभी भी प्रज्वलित है.
Shah station continues to track and Trivandrum station beginning to acquire trajectory data.
इस दौरान कोर बूस्टर 4800 किलो न्यूटन का प्रणोद उत्पन्न करता है और यान का दिशा निर्धारण करते हुए उद्दिष्ट कक्षा
First
की ओर
stage
जा रहा है.
separated, second stage ignited. Plus 2 minutes.
प्रथम चरण को यान से पृथक कर दिया गया है तथा द्वितीय चरण प्रज्वलित हो चुका है.
The first stage has completed its operation. The relative velocity at this time is 1.7 kilometers per second. Current altitude is 93 kilometers.
द्वितीय चरण विकास इंजन का प्रयोग करते हुए तथा ईंधन के रूप में US-25 तथा N2O4 का इस्तेमाल करता है और वर्तमान में यह 800 किलो न्यूटन का प्रणोद उत्पन्न कर रहा है.
151 second burn time for the PS2 stage for the present mission.
Payload fairing separated.
अब यान
Close loop
की
guidance
ऊंचाई
initiated.
123 किलोमीटर हो चुकी है.
Plus
अब यह
3
घने
minutes.
वातावरण से बाहर जा चुका है, इसलिए यान से ऊष्मा कवच को पृथक कर दिया गया है. द्वितीय चरण अभी भी प्रज्वलित है.
Two major flight events upon clearing the dense
Second
atmosphere.
stage performance normal.
The payload fairing has been jettisoned and closed loop guidance is initiated and PS2 continues to develop thrust.
यहाँ द्वितीय चरण इंजन जिम्बल की मदद से अपना दिशा निर्धारण करता है और उद्दिष्ट पथ की ओर यान को दिशा देता हुआ अपेक्षित पथ का अनुकरण कर रहा है. द्वितीय चरण का निष्पादन पूरी तरह सामान्य. अब यान की ऊंचाई 265 किलोमीटर तथा सापेक्ष गति 3
Second
किलोमीटर
stage
प्रति सेकंड हो
performance
चुकी है.
normal.
The PS2 was powered by the Vikas engine, which develops 800 kilonewtons thrust. The trajectory of the vehicle closely follows the expected trajectory.
Second stage separated. Third stage ignited.
यहाँ इसकी पुष्टि हो चुकी है रेंज ऑपरेशन डायरेक्टर द्वारा. द्वितीय चरण को सफलतापूर्वक यान से पृथक कर दिया
Third
गया
stage
है
performance normal.
तथा तृतीय चरण का प्रज्वलन शुरू हो चुका है और वह सामान्य निष्पादन कर रहा है.
We are 4 minutes 45 seconds past the liftoff. The third stage of PSLV, the PS3, the solid propellant stage, has commenced its operation. Rocket is at 250 kilometers
5
altitude.
तृतीय चरण का कार्यकाल लगभग 150 सेकंड का होगा. यह ठोस नोदक पर आधारित चरण है.
Third stage performance normal.
For the present mission, PS3 stage will burn for 125 seconds.
यह मिशन पोलर ऑर्बिट के लिए है. इसमें सभी उपग्रह सूर्य समकालिक कक्षा में भेजे जा रहे हैं
Plus 6 minutes.
जो कि भू प्रेक्षण के लिए सर्वथा अनुकूल होता है. दक्षिणी दिशा की ओर यह प्रमोशन होने की वजह से प्रथम कक्षा में महत्वपूर्ण कार्रवाई के लिए मॉनिटरिंग के लिए शार त्रिवेंद्रम,
stage performance
मॉरिशस
normal.
और अंटार्कटिका स्थित ग्राउंड स्टेशन हम तक यान के आंकड़े उपलब्ध करा रहे हैं।
On that big story, India reaching for the stars once again. Fingers crossed. As of now, it looks all is well. Pramod, it's been a majestic liftoff for PSLV, isn't it?
Surely, Sneha, it's a very, very important launch because what is happening currently is that kind of like a technology and such which once was very available only to top play. Now, ISRO is actually bringing it to everybody. In fact, the important aspect, the first and primary satellite here is something called as an Earth observation satellite, which is called Anvesha. And this has been designed and manufactured by DRDO. And it's a very, very important high-valued satellite because this will allow in monitoring the borders and such and everything for Earth for India because it can actually see in various levels of spectrum wavelength. And the rest of the satellites, very important. Another one is a piggybacking satellite called as KID mission, which is about a Spanish startup and a European network going ahead and creating something called as re-entry vehicle, a small capsule kind of a demonstration vehicle that is also expected to make a splash in the Pacific Ocean. The important aspect is that ISRO is playing a very important role in this kind of creating or helping with other nations as well in demonstrations and such, which is very, very important for getting data and expanding the research on such networks. And along with us, totally 17 satellites have been launched for the day by PSLV, once again successfully, Sneha.
On our screens right now are of India's Hawkeye in space, and the PSLV is going to now place Anvesha in the Earth's orbit. Essentially, that is going to be India's Hawkeye in space. Like I said, it's a powerful surveillance satellite. From take us to the details of the functions of Anvesha, its tracking troop movement, importantly in these times, of course, terrain changes and crop patterns with pinpoint accuracy. Pramod?
कमांड सेंटर इस ट्रैक द्वारा लगभग वास्तविक समय में किया जाता है। इस बार भी मुख्य उपग्रह EOS N1 और 15
even we also recently launched one something called as NISAR with NASA and as well. But the here aspect is that we need various levels of spectrum to go through various bands and such, and each the light spectrum or such things like that, it has a different way of looking into the ground as well, and that is why such Earth observation satellites are very important. One is for research purpose, and that is another one is for patrolling and such. So we are sending a very important Hawkeye that will help us in maintaining our borders, help us in need of any kind of assistance during any kind of calamity or disaster and such. So that is why such Earth observation satellites, not communication, but Earth observation satellites play a very important role, Sneha.
Yeah. Right, we will just go back, in fact, to Pramod in a moment from now, but we're staying with these images coming in at this point in time. This is a mega launch with India once again, beginning 2026 with a big bang. Yeah, this is the first Desi Videshi space liftoff that we're seeing on our screens at this point in time from Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. And Anvesha is an advanced Earth observation satellite launched by ISRO. This uses the PSLV, the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, and it is going to be capturing data across narrow spectral bands, high detail analysis, and for various functions.
PSLV